Yan, you should eat the dinner now. Yan smiled. No, no, I will eat with him. But it's late, and you are not even taking your meals properly from the few days. Ajuma, I am okay, and I will eat. You should go home now. It's getting late. Ajuma sighed and went to her home. After that, Yan looked at the food one more time, making sure everything is okay, and then sit on the table, waiting for her husband, Jian Jungkook. They both are married with each other from the last 3 months. It was an arranged marriage. It was 8:30 p.m., which is the usual time of Jungkook coming back to the home. But today Jungkook was late. Yan waited for him half hour past, then 1 hour, then two. Now Yan was getting worried for Jungkook. He never come home this late, so why today? Yan took her phone and was going to call his friend, asking about his whereabouts. But just then the doorbell rang. Yan come to the living room and opened the door. Hi Yan. Yan looked at Jimin, one of the Jungkook close friend, and then her eyes fell on Jungkook, who is a drunk, while Jimin was holding him. His secretary called me when Jungkook passed out in the bar. Too much, Jimin explained. Okay, can you bring him to the room? Jimin nodded. Jimin laid Jungkook on the bed while Yan removed Jungkook's shoes and socks. He have a great tolerance but don't know why he passed out today. Yan stand there clueless, don't know what to say next. Okay, I should go now, Jimin said, clearing his throat. Yan bowing. Thank you for bringing him here. Jimin nodded with a smile. Yan come back to the room after closing the door. Yan sit beside a Jungkook. His face was a calm, but then frown appeared on his face. Yan became a confused. She gently kissed his head, and it works. Her eyes shine with love for him, while his eyes always had a hatred for her. After that, she got up and placed a peck on his forehead and left the room because she is not allowed in his room. Next morning, Yan woke up at the alarm sound. She turned off the alarm. She get up and go to the bathroom to take a shower, as she needs to breakfast for Jungkook. Jungkook come to the dining table and sit on his place. Good morning, Jungkook. She greet in hope, but he did not even care to nod at her greeting. Yan just sadly smiled because it's happening from the day she come in this house. She tried to talk with him, but he never replied. And when he does, it's always in one or two words. Yan sat on her face and started to eat her breakfast silently because she was hungry and even last night she did not eat anything. Jungkook point of view. I sigh after reviewing the files. I stretch my arms and back. It's hurting after sitting in the same position. I close my eyes just then I hear the knock on the door. My secretary came. Boss, Mrs. John sent a lunch box. He placed on the table. I tell him to leave and he left after a bowing. I get up and go to the bathroom to wash my hands. After I come back, I open the lunch box and there was a note like usual. I open the note and read, don't skip the lunch. Why this woman is so stubborn? Cannot she understand I cannot give her love? At one time I used to believe in love, but not now. I create the wall around my heart so it cannot hurt again. But my wife, I mean Yan, making a heart for me to not to fall in love with her. I close my eyes, remembering the time when she first time came in my office, wearing a light purple dress. Her hair, her long hair was tied in this ribbon. The way she said John Wan with confidence, it ignited something inside me. I hurt her so much thinking she is a gold digger, but sometimes I wonder what if I am wrong and am making a mistake by pushing her away from me. But at the same time, what if she is acting innocent just to get my trust? These all are so much complicated for me to understand. Meanwhile, Yan talking with her mom. Yan, your voice seems to be weak. Are you okay, my child? Yeah, mom, I'm totally fine, she lied. If you have any problem, you can share with us. I know, mom, but there is nothing to worry about. They both talk for some time before hanging up. Yan sighed and looked at her hand as she was making the dinner last night and accidentally her hand. There was a dark circles around her eyes, which she covered it with makeup. She had lost her weight in those months because of skipping her meals. She is giving her 100% to this marriage, but it's just Jan making efforts. And in this way, she is slowly losing herself. She forgets to sleep, eating, and taking care of herself. She just always thought about Jungkook. Jungkook point of view. I was ready to leave for the home. Just then my office door opened. I look at the person who dared to enter in my cabin without my permission. Hi Jungkook. My jaw clenched seeing the person whom I hate with the core of my heart. Jungkook coldly. Why the? You came here, Yuna. Jungkook, please forgive me. I know I made a mistake, but please give me one chance. No, I don't need you in my life, and now I am married. Jungkook, I know you are married, but you don't love her, right? No, I love her. She is my wife. I unknowingly shouted. Please, Jungkook, let me stay with you. I am ready to be your. How can this woman can be this much? You know what? I am happy with my wife. I don't need a woman who cannot control her and cheat on her behalf. Now get out from my office before I call the security. And I'm sure you don't want to embarrass yourself in front of my employees. She clenched her fist and went away from there. I should have listened to my Hyungs when they said I'm making a mistake by dating a Yuna, but I did not listen to them. Yuna was my girlfriend and the first girl with whom I fell in love. I love her blindly, always trust on her. I lost my on her, but one day when I go to her home, I find her in another. She cheated on me. After that, I broke up with her. But later on, I found out that she was with me for my money. After that, I started to hate love and thought every woman is a gold digger. When I come back home today, there was a silence like other day. Today Jan does not come to greet me. I was looking at Jan, hoping she would come from the kitchen with a glass of water. I went to the kitchen and there was Azuma present. Where is Jan? Azuma turned around. She is in the room, young master. Without my will, I took my steps towards her. We don't live in the same room. I was the one who made this decision. Sometimes I regret about it. She was sleeping in the bed. I go near her bed and look at her baby face. My gaze traveled to her hand, which is a place on her stomach. I frown seeing the dark mark. I take a closer look and it was a mark. Why this woman is this much clumsy? I touch her hand and to my shock, her was on. I put my palm on her forehead and she was having a high fever. I mentally, before immediately dialing a doctor number. She is having a fever because of not getting a proper sleep and also not eating properly. I am prescribing some medicines. I nodded, not averting a gaze from her sleeping face. Author point of view. Yan woke up holding her head. She rubbed her eyes for a clear view. Yan mumbling. When I fall asleep, she sat and looked at the clock. Her eyes widened. It's 2 a.m. Did Jungkook come home? Did he eat? Yan mind again filled with Jungkook thoughts. Yan throw the blanket and go to the Jungkook room. Yan slowly picked in Jungkook's room and seeing him sleeping on the couch, she entered in his room tip-top. If he will wake up and find her in his room, then no one can save her from his outburst. She looked at him, hand on her hips. Cannot this man sleep properly? Always work, work. She said and was going to close his laptop. When her eyes caught that the project is incomplete, she sat beside him slowly and took the laptop on her. Yan thought, finally I can use here my business skills. Yan giggled. She started to complete the project on which Jungkook was working. After 2 hours, the project was completed. Yan point of view. Now when he will see this morning, he will be happy. I check one more time if there is a mistake or not and everything was okay. I close the laptop and then look at my husband who is looking a baby bunny while sleeping. Yan pouting. When you will love me like I do. I placed the peck on his forehead and went to my room. Yan was making the breakfast. Her head was panning because of the headache. She was feeling a weakness, her eyes hardly able to open. Just then Jungkook shouted, making her scared. Yan! Yan turned around and there was a stand furious Jungkook. Yan scared Jungkook. He cut her off. Jungkook furious. Did you touch my laptop last night? He said with a gritting teeth. Yan shuddering. Jungkook shouting, yes or no? Yan flinched. Tears gathered in her eyes. Yan trembling. Yes. How many times I had to tell you to not to touch my damn things? Then why cannot you get the single thing in your mind? Yan tears fall. Yan crying. I'm shut up. I don't want to hear a single word. He grabbed Yan arms harshly, which started to hurt Yan. You ruined the project which I need today in the important meeting. From the next time, don't touch my things without my permission. Got it? Yan nodded, crying. Jungkook left her arms and went away from her. Yan looked at the spot where Jungkook grabbed her hand. It was the same spot which hurt more Yan. Yan ran to her room, wiping her tears. Yan threw herself on the bed and started to cry, hiding her face in the pillow. Yan point of view. What I did wrong for that God is punishing me like this. I just wished a happy life with my husband. What I ask more from him. I did not ruin his project. Then why he was scolding me so much? Cannot he see my efforts for making him happy? Author point of view. After some time crying, Yan sat up on the bed. Her eyes were red and puffy from crying. I will not live with him now, she said sternly. What the I done? I look at the project which is completed. Every detail was perfect, and this is done by Yan. And I scolded her badly without hearing her. I know but but I was so frustrated not seeing the project because it's not important only for the company but for every employee who work hard for a Gion corporation. Now what I should do? This time I really hurt her badly. She was crying today and I make her scared. I need to control my anger issues. I always does the same thing. First I shout on her and then I regret why I am like this God. I should apologize to her for my behavior.